Today we'll be making gnocchi alla romana. When thinking of gnocchi, our mind jumps straight to the little potato dumplings, but this Roman version, which we'll do today, is made quite differently. Rather than using potatoes, these gnocchi is made using semolina, a coarse yellow flour that is made from durum wheat. It has a high protein and gluten content, and is being used for making pasta, adding a crispy crunch to pizzas, desserts, and for these delicious, easy to make gnocchi. But well, enough talk. Let me show you how this is done. Start with heating the milk, butter, salt and nutmeg, and get it to a boil. Watch out that the milk won't burn. When boiling, add the semolina flour and whisk so no lumps are forming. When thickened, you want to switch to a wooden spoon and take the mixture off the heat. Now separate 2 eggs. You only need the yolks, but don't throw out the egg whites just yet. I'll show you in another video how to use them, so consider to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss it. You will also find the recipe for today in the description below, right next to the like button. Grate the Parmesan cheese, add the yolks and the Parmesan to the semolina and mix until you have a smooth dough. It should be looking something like this. Now, at this point, some chefs form the gnocchi into a little roll and cut the gnocchi from that. Or you can do it the easy way, like me, and spread the semolina onto a baking sheet. Still takes some work, but I found that if you wet the utensils with water, it goes easier. Once you've gotten it well flattened, put it in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes until the gnocchi is firm. Meanwhile, let's make a tomato sauce. An authentic Italian tomato sauce can easily take up towards 4 hours to do. And yes, if you have the time, please do it, you won't regret it. But if you're like me and can't wait eating the gnocchi, make this quick sauce and it will still be worth it. Start with roughly chopped onions and garlic. And add the tomatoes. Add your favorite concentrated tomato sauce or red pesto. Add some fresh chopped basil. The smell of this is just incredible. Add it to the sauce as the last thing after you have seasoned with salt and pepper. And done. Let's get back to our gnocchi. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Wet your cookie cutter in water and cut out your small golden coins. How big or small you want them is completely up to you. Arrange the gnocchi overlapping each other in an oven-proof dish. Add freshly ground pepper. And yes, we need more butter. Melt it and pour it over the gnocchi. Now sprinkle with additional Parmesan cheese. And to make this dish extra rich, we'll grate some Gruyere and add that to the gnocchi, before baking them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden. And look at these beautiful crispy gnocchi. You could serve them up as they are, just add some melted butter with sage and you'll be in Rome. Enough talk, let's plate it up and eat. Add your tomato sauce and make a nice bed for our piping hot gnocchis. Add some more Parmesan and done. Please enjoy and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.